Hi, everyone. I get the honor to be the punchline of the event, so thanks for having this honor. My name is Bogdan Fornica. I am the CEO of Profluo, a rapid application development platform based on business processes. Throughout my 20-year career as an enterprise CFO focused on massive change projects, I became frustrated by how enterprise resource planning software, or ERPs, actually ignored this kind of changes. You see, ERPs are historically fixated on artifacts of the industrial age. They're no longer relevant for the digital age. And because of their monolithic and rigid nature, most of their implementations fail miserably. And this is a huge waste. These two are the most hated pieces of software on earth, probably next to iTunes, I don't know. But anyway, no wonder that this is becoming a very lucrative $50 billion market, and actually scratch that. If we consider custom enterprise app development, this is a huge $200 billion market. And fixing this requires a new mindset, a digital mindset where everything is a business player. Humans, machines, devices, sensors, external apps, events, everything plays a role in a business process. And companies today are looking for a lightweight, consistent architecture that is able to map out all these new business players to their business processes. And companies, having been burnt before by large failed implementations, want to explore this new architecture in an incremental, iterative manner. That's why we created Profluo, an agile architecture delivered step by step. Here's how it works, an example of our very cool customer, a fresh food online retailer from just 6 weeks ago. They were growing fast, and their biggest problem was that orders were processed manually, mistakes were being made, we know the story, and they wanted to protect their excellent customer reputation, and they wanted to prevent inventory losses. So, in the first week, we sat together with them. We designed visually, in front of them, a process-driven app that automated their sales orders, their purchase orders, scheduled deliveries, proposed delivery routes, and notified suppliers and customers. In the second week, we designed the data model and the interfaces, and we went live. This is unheard of in the enterprise space. In the next 2 weeks, their employees were already operating the app with zero training, and they saw the order processing time drop from several hours a day to a little under 10 minutes. Now we're busy digitizing the rest of their business processes one by one. So how do we achieve this uncanny agility? First off, our platform is a very powerful Lego construct of process and data templates called the process-driven architecture. And this works because each customer has different processes, but their building blocks are quite similar. So this enables us to do mass customization very fast and very affordably. Second, we reuse interfaces and we provide a simple, consistent design language across all process applications. And we know that our customers don't know exactly what they want until they see it working. So we build the working app very fast, and then we just iterate on it by just tweaking the building blocks. Our customer approach has a setup stage, which we entrust to our partners to deliver the consulting services, to build the process app, and to deploy it in our own cloud infrastructure, and the ongoing usage stage, which is very special because we, Profluo, consistently analyze and propose changes to the process-driven applications based on the changes in the customer's operating model. This is unique as a service in the market. Our customer lifetime value share provides ample opportunity for the partners to profitably engage with customers. Speaking of partners, we are a perfect channel fit for telecom companies who are interested in installing digital business platforms for their customers in their own cloud infrastructure, and for consulting companies who are keen in monetizing their existing process knowledge on a technology distribution model. We target mid-customers. They are currently neglected by the big process players who look in contempt at the budgets these customers have. And these customers are not satisfied with self-service apps, as these do not solve their concerns related to enterprise templates, integration to legacy, and security. So we swim in the middle where the ocean is still blue. Still, our unfair advantage is our super experienced team because we have significant enterprise experience. I'm a former CFO for IBM and other multinational companies with deep expertise in process design. My partner, Cosmin, is a former technical architect for large telecom integrators where he implemented massively scaled, high available enterprise apps serving tens of millions of daily transactions. Our team is completed by our very talented developers, Nelutsu and Răzvan. We started in February 2016 with our first customer. We were already break-even last year. This year we're profitable. We're seeing a huge surge in project revenue, which we use to fund the growth of the team and of the product. However, seeing our initial market traction, we want to accelerate this even further. We're looking for a seed investment that will help us consolidate our Romanian channels, help us expand to the Western markets, and we want to invest further in our product in terms of even faster setup, even faster change management, and ultimately we want to design an awesome conversational interface for operations management. So, thank you, and let's talk.